What immigration options can trucking companies use to bring foreign drivers to the U.S.? Hi everyone, I'm attorney Hashim Jeelani, principal at Jeelani Law Firm. Over the last 10 years, Jeelani Law Firm has successfully filed thousands of immigration cases with agencies throughout the United States and overseas. The extreme shortage of truck drivers in the U.S. has long existed. However, it's grown to an even greater rate post-COVID. Currently, the shortage is approximately 80,000 drivers, as reported in 2021 by the American Trucking Associations. To make matters worse, the shortage is only expected to grow in the future. Our clients in the logistics industry have addressed this shortage through hiring overseas drivers that are ready, willing, and able to fill their truck driver positions in the U.S. Specifically, there are two immigration routes that our clients utilize to hire foreign truck drivers. Number one, the H-2B visa, which is a temporary worker visa. And number two, the EB-3 visa, which is a permanent visa, also known as green card. The H-2B visa process, a temporary visa type, can allow an employer to bring drivers within 2 to 3 months, whereas the EB-3 visa, a more permanent solution, can take anywhere from 12 to 24 months. Let's start with the H-2B visa. One of the quickest routes to bringing truck driver employees to the U.S. is through the H-2B visa. The H-2B program can be used by employers that demonstrate temporary, seasonal, or peak load shortage of staff and need of additional workers. This is often the case for our clients in the logistics industry. The H-2B program process typically takes 5 to 8 months to complete. Through this visa type, truck drivers can come to the U.S. and work for up to 9 months in a 1-year period with the initial approval. Thereafter, the employee must leave for a period of 3 months and can come back on an H-2B visa for another 9 months. What are the obligations of the H-2B visa employers? Typically, employers of the H-2B workers are obligated to pay for the visa application, flight tickets, and accommodation of the workers. They're also required to pay them the wage determined by the Department of Labor to protect them from exploitation. Typically, these costs are well worth it for our trucking clients that need drivers now. As mentioned before, there's also the EB-3, which is the green card visa. The EB-3 visa is a more permanent solution to bringing drivers to the U.S. Under the EB-3 category, an employer can sponsor the driver to come to the U.S. to work in a permanent position. Generally, this process can be completed within 12 to 24 months. Under this category, an employer can petition for a foreign person to come to the U.S. to fill an employment position if the employer was not able to find a suitable employee from the American workforce. This is something that can very easily be shown for most of our trucking company clients. Additionally, as a part of the EB-3 visa, the employee's family, which includes their spouse and children under the age of 21, can also immigrate with the employee. If you have any questions specific to your case or need more information, call our office to schedule a phone consultation with a senior attorney at Jeelani Law Firm. Thanks for watching this video. I'm attorney Hashim Jeelani. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and bell buttons to be notified every time I upload a new video.